me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel and my messy house. As you can see, our house was totally trashed. It's usually what happens when I'm doing my Christmas / like holiday baking. And so yeah, there was a lot of cleaning up to do. I'm gonna start off right here in the dining room and then move on into the kitchen. We had just finished making some scuffles, and I will be sure to share that recipe down below in the comments, as it is so good. It is my grand's recipe and I absolutely love them. So stick around. There's gonna be lots of cleaning motivation in today's video as we move through the whole main living area of the house.
You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah.
So I do usually put a protector here on my table, but I had forgot this morning because, as you can see, the flour and the dough get stuck in these little cracks of my tables. So enjoy this satisfying clean with me as I tackle my table.
Stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy. 'Cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
So I wanted to share this little dishwasher hack with you guys. I like to load my dishwasher and put all of the knives in one, all of the spoons in one, all of the forks in one. It honestly makes your life so much easier when you go to unload the dishwasher. So just a little homemaking hack that I wanted to share with you guys. Now I'm going ahead and putting these delicious scuffles into the freezer for Christmas time. I obviously saved a small bag for us for the week, and then I did freeze the rest again for Christmas. Again, I will have that recipe linked down below if you are interested in it.
The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased.
Now, if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here. I am so grateful for you. And if you were new here, I am so happy that you landed here on my channel. I would love for you all to join our growing YouTube family and stick around a while. I share lots of relatable, messy cleaning motivation. As a mom, I have 2 little girls, and so I always like to share the real, authentic joys of motherhood, if you will. I would love to know what you are doing while watching today, if you are up cleaning with me, or if you are sitting down trying to get motivated. Let me know down below.
It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one.
Let me know down below if you have started decorating your house for Christmas yet. I have partially decorated our house, but we always get a real tree, and so I have yet to set up our Christmas tree. We're actually going this weekend to pick that up, and I am really excited. So if you like Christmas content and lots of cleaning motivation, clean and decorates with me, all of that fun stuff, then make sure that you stick around and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. And if you haven't already, I would love if you gave this video a nice big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel as a small creator. So I'm just going ahead and vacuuming the kitchen, finishing up here, and then we're going to get some deep cleaning done on the rest of the carpets in the house.
We could break up and then make up. I always come back. you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
So I just went ahead and sprinkled some baking soda here on the carpet, and I let it sit for about an hour, and then I went ahead and vacuumed it up to really help get all the dirt and stuff out of the carpet here. I love doing this, like probably once a month or so is really nice to give these carpets a really nice deep clean, especially because our entire family has allergies, and I think we're actually developing an allergy to our dog, which is super sad. But we are struggling, every single one of us in our house is struggling with some sort of like eczema, and I've struggled with eczema my entire life, but it's just never been this bad. So yeah, I wanted to give these carpets in our house a really good deep clean, as I find that they really just hold a lot of dirt and dust and all of that kind of fun stuff. So then, mom life moment, real life moment for you right here. My daughter got into the crayons and stuff and colored all over the walls. Thankfully, it was just crayon and not permanent marker again, but I just took a magic eraser to get this off. Make sure you stay tuned for the before and after shot.
All that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego.
All right, so it is now day 2, and this was actually like a week later. It's so bad, but I know I have a small house, you guys, but I am trying to focus really hard on just being more intentional with my time, spending more undivided time with my family. And so cleaning has kind of been put on the back burner. So again, I'm just keeping it super real with you guys. My house was still a total mess, but I wanted to just be transparent and let you guys know that this was in fact about a week later. So if it takes you a little bit longer to get some stuff done around the house, it's okay. Try to give yourself some grace and just know that what you do around your home matters, but so do you. And if it is taking a toll on your mental health or whatever, then I want to encourage you to just take a step back from it all, take some time to yourself, give yourself some self-care, and just again take time for you to recharge and rejuvenate so that you can pour into your home and your family, because ladies, you can't pour from an empty cup.
Stepping on toes with these humble and everlasting egos. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So as you can see, my oldest daughter had her stuffies and just a bunch of stuff here in our master bedroom. She actually has quiet time in our bed and will sometimes fall asleep even though she is 4.5 years old. And so since we switched the girls into the same room and they now have bunk beds, we didn't want her to interfere with her younger sister's sleep. And so this is just kind of something that has been working for us right now. But I did notice here in the master bedroom, there was tons of dust that had accumulated. So I wanted to go ahead and just take my microfiber cloth along with my wood cleaner and go ahead and just wipe all of the wood surfaces. Stay tuned. I have another realistic mom life moment coming up really soon.
Really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you were saying I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So I went ahead and moved the dog bed that was here and then vacuumed, and I didn't end up putting it back in hopes that it will help our allergies, but it's not really seeming to help. Okay, you guys, so I want to share this real life moment with you guys. Right here, I'm going to show you what my dresser looks like. I can't even believe it. What do you guys do with your Halloween candy? I don't even know what to do with all of this. I honestly want to throw out majority of it because it's like December and I still have a ton of it. It's in our bedroom so the girls don't eat it. And then I also have some Christmas presents hiding up there too. Shh.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
So I'm just going ahead and using the same baking soda hack here on our living room carpet. Our dog spends a lot of time here on this carpet, so I actually went ahead and did a nice slow vacuum. This is sped up so you can't really tell, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you enjoyed this messy house clean with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. We'll see you in my next one. Bye.